Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great and taking good care of yourselves. Today in this video, I thought that I will share with you how one can go about loading the ink cartridge into your printer. We all, because of the corona situation, most of us are working from home, and there has always been a need of we wanting to access the printer, be it just for our office work or for our kids who are required to probably do their classes online. So the printer is more or less a very required for going ahead with our proceedings, because of which what happens is we end up depleting the ink in our printers. Amazon now being able to deliver, we are able to call for the supplies. So without further ado, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and load up the new cartridges which I called. Now I need the 680 one. You definitely will have to check what ink cartridge your printer needs. The printer that I'm using is the HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 3855. That is what I have. So I would like to think that most of the printers have a similar process of having their cartridges installed. So what I will do is I will go ahead and just open this box up, unbox this whole thing up, and install the cartridges and see how one can go about with. I called for a combo pack, so I have received both the tricolor cartridge and the black cartridge. Typically these are the two cartridges that you would get. So now I will go ahead and go about with installing these. Firstly, what I will need to do is open this particular section, and also at the same time open up this plastic bag, so or rather the plastic casing, and probably get the cartridge out. I'm pulling out the black cartridge first. So this is what it will look like. So what I will need to do is first of all peel off this tape from here. So before I do that, what I will do is I will go ahead and try and open up the section in which the cartridge needs to go. So this is where more or less this section is. Yeah, there you go. I think this one is the black one. So I'm going to just push it down and pull it out. Now you see, this is how it goes inside. You see the number, and this is how it goes inside. So what I'm going to do is, in the same manner, I'm going to put the other one. Now this is what, after I peel the sticker off, I will peel the sticker off, and this is how it needs to go in. This is how we brought it out, and this is how it needs to go in. So I'm going to push it in over here. I believe you can see it if you push it in over here, and it will more or less hold up, and you can just, and then you need to just push it up. So that one has gone in. Now I'm going to do the same for the colored cartridge. So I'm going to push it down. Yeah, there you go. And this one comes out the same way. You can see this, and I'm going to keep it down and open up the other cartridge box. Again, peel off the sticker, or I think it's like a seal, okay, that seals up the ink, or just to ensure that the cartridge is new that you've received. So what I will do is, again, I will hold it again the same way, like this, with 680 facing towards me, and I'm going to just take it further in over here, straight into that slot. If you can see, I think it's a little dark though, but you can just take it in and push it. Let me just see if I can have some light in there, so just so that you can probably see it a little better. I have managed to get some light now. So what I'm going to do is, see, this is how it goes typically. This is your cartridge, and you take it in like this into the slot, and you push it up like this. And there you go. Now all what you need to do is close this door, and you see genuine HP ink cartridge installed. I need to hit OK. Now it says load plain white paper in tray, then touch OK to start alignment. Now I'm going to I'll take the camera a bit behind just so that you see what I'm doing over here. Basically what I've done is I've loaded up the paper on the tray. It gives me a message on the screen. It says, did you load paper? I'll say okay. It says aligning printer, so I believe it's going to just print out something for me. So I'm going to just pull the tray out further, just so that you see that the paper is going to come out with a print on it. So there you go. There you see that there's a printout that we've received. Rather, it's like this, and it also gives me a message on the screen which says place the alignment page face down on the scanner glass and touch OK. I'm going to put this paper on the scanner, and I'm going to hit OK. It says scanning the alignment page. I believe it's going to take a couple of seconds or a few seconds to do that. So this typically will get the process done, and I believe I will receive a message that the ink cartridges have been installed correctly. Yes, I get the message, printer successfully. I believe there is where you can see that the message that which is there. It says, there you go, it says printer alignment successful, cartridge are now calibrated and for best print quality, recycle or discard the alignment page. I say okay, and that is it. It is ready to copy, scan and fax. So I believe this video is going to be helpful, because I did have to figure out a little bit when I was doing it the first time, so I thought that I'll share this with you guys. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please do subscribe and like the video, and please do keep coming back for more such videos. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.